Today I'm going to show you destruction and hope. Hi, I'm Tessa at Willow Haven Farm, and there's always something to teach you. So let's get started. We built these greenhouses over the last couple years, and we had an unhappy event in March. Over the last couple weeks, we had two really strong wind storms here on the farm, and unfortunately this greenhouse that we had great hope for, we had plans for this spring to be planting early greens and lettuce in. This one is not savable. We had 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, and both of these greenhouses were damaged. The greenhouse plastic, which comes in huge rolls and it's hundreds of dollars, was just ripped off and flailing in the wind. So we had to take that down. And then, as you can see, the bars here are completely ruined. They're all twisted, and without pretty industrial equipment, there's no way for us to fix this. We'll save things for parts to repair greenhouses, and maybe we'll get a different model next time. This one didn't work out too great, although we had great hopes for it. But this one is savable, and we will be covering it with plastic, and the vegetables that we have that Reuben seeded in February and sent to Leroy's to his heated greenhouse. He has a wood stove that heats his greenhouse and starts his plants. All this has been sitting and ready, waiting for us to get this greenhouse back into production. So this week we had the time to do that. Andres is back from Mexico, and he got out here, and Blaze and Brandon, and they did a bunch of work to get this ready, taking off the plastic, fixing some of the bars, getting pieces where they belonged. Then they took the rototiller and they tilled up the ground in here to prepare it for the beds. And now finally, they're getting these plants in here. So in the next half an hour or so, this could be fully planted. Although right now we have a secondary task going on. Andres is measuring for the new plastic that needs to go on here. So
can you figure that out with the common system, Andres? Did you use measuring tape measure?
What are you planting, Blaze?
Endive.
Endive. All right. Yeah, that's a really healthy green. So that's what we've got going here at Willow Haven Farm. In a few weeks, as we get warmer days and lots of sun, and even better when we get plastic put back on this, these greens are going to grow and pop with nutrition, and you can get them in a Market Box delivered to your home or our drop locations around the Lehigh Valley. So many of you are already members, and we really appreciate you. If you are new and finding us for the first time, please go to willowhavenfarmpa.com/marketbox and find out what's so great about getting a farmer's market in a box, fresh, organic, clean food delivered to you, so you can achieve real health in your life with all the great foods that we have for you. All right, have a wonderful week. Happy Easter, and blessings from Willow Haven Farm. Bye.